Hello everybody and welcome to a new one of my videos, and today we are going to be comparing fractions with unlike numerators and denominators. So let's begin our lesson. Daniel and Gwen are playing fraction war. The person with the greatest number wins. Who won each round? How do you know? So let me pull up my paint tool. So now we can see our chart, and I have my paint tool up. So round one, I'll show you how you can determine which one, because it may be hard. Which one won? Because it may be hard for you to visualize which one is bigger. So let's cut this pizza in half. So imagine this is a pizza, pepperoni. And put the pepperoni on it. And then we make another pepperoni pizza. And then we split it like that. Then the pepperoni. And imagine that you get one of these pizzas. And imagine if you got one of these pizzas. Which pizza would you most likely take because it's bigger? The 1/2 because it's bigger than the 1/6. And you might not be as hungry, so you would pick the 1/6, but if you were really hungry, you would pick this one. So now let's go on to round 2. So on round 2, they have 5 8s and 3 8s. Now it's really easy to tell which one is which, because when you're when you're comparing like denominators, which means that the denominators are the same, then you just have to look at the numerator, which numerator is bigger. So like this. I'm not going to add the pepperoni on the pizza this time because it just wastes time. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Imagine if you got that much of the pizza. And imagine if you got 1, 2, 3 of the pizza. If you were really hungry, which one you would choose? You would choose this one because you would have more pizzas. So the person with the greatest number wins. So Daniel won this round. So we're on to the final round of the fraction war. So in round 3, Daniel gets 2/4 of the pizza. This and this. And Gwen gets 1/2 of the pizza. Which pizza was bigger? You might say, oh, that the 1/2 of the pizza is bigger than the 2/4 of the pizza. But actually, these are equivalent, which means equal. So, because if you simplify it to its lowest factor, 4 can be made into 2, and 2 can be made into 1. So it equals 1/2. Because if you put 1/2, then you get 1/2. And this is also 1/2 because 2 is half of 4. No, 4 is half of 2, and 1/2 is half of 2. It's very confusing, but I got the hang of it. So now that the fraction war is over with, let's get to the next one. As Daniel and Gwen play, they forgot to record their results in the table. Use the cards to complete the table. For round 1, Daniel argues that he wins because his pieces are larger than, while Gwen says she wins because she has more pieces. Who is correct and y. So let's use our handy help of draw and zoom. So now, round 1, Gwen and Daniel are arguing, and we're supposed to figure out the result of them arguing. So, oh, no. Nope, you can't see that. So Daniel, his pieces are larger, and Gwen says she wins because she has more pieces. So let's use our pizzas. Oh jeez, that's gonna be hard. Okay, but I'll do it. So 1/2 and oh jeez, this. I don't know how to make. I don't know how to make the 12ths in a circle. So I'm just gonna simplify it to 2/4 and 2/6. So 2/4 and 2/6. So we're getting 1, 2, 6, and he's getting 2. So Daniel wins this round because he has the larger pieces. No, he has the larger piece of the pizza. So you can see now, Gwen wins, and this one's a tie. So I would say when Gwen wins is when Gwen has 7/8 and Daniel has 6/8. That is when Gwen wins. And of course, the obvious less when it's a tie. Wait. Oh no. So it's not 3/4 and 1/4 because then it wouldn't be a tie. So then simplify it into its simplest form. So we can't do 1/2 of 7. So it has to be either this and this, 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 or this and this. So let's figure it out. So I just figured it out, and this one goes to this one, and both of these go here, and when Gwen wins is 7/8 to 1/4. So totally meant to do that. So now it creates a big X in the middle, which is not very important. Just let me rewrite this. Okay. So when Daniel has 1/4 and Gwen has a 7/8, because it would be the same if it was 3/4 to 7/8, but it's not, because then it would be 1 away for both of them. But it's not, so Gwen won. And I hope that they stop arguing, because I had to solve the problem for them, and I really don't want to do that again. So now we're getting to the end of this video. We can use models and number lines to help us compare fractions. Fractions are greater when they are further right on a number line or represent more area on a model. So I used a model. You could use a number line, but I prefer a model because I like to visualize it, but you might want to use a number line, and that's okay too. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next